Summer is here and it's time to get outdoors and enjoy a little bit, at least in the morning and late in the afternoon or in the swimming pool. But you cannot forget your sunscreen. We all know how dangerous our Arizona sun can be. So Tess is joining us live this morning with some reminders about protecting yourself against the harsh and potentially dangerous rays, and also to better take care of your skin, because likely we've already done some damage, even if we've tried to be responsible. Tess, good morning.
Good morning. A significant amount of damage is done by the time we even turn 18, and so we can never talk enough about sun protection, including a shot glass. What does this have to do with sunscreen? We're going to tell you in just a second, but we are here at We Do Men, but it's all about sun safety this morning. So Stacey is going to give us some tips on what you can do, one, to prevent it, and that's taking care of your skin, and you are going to need products to protect your skin, Stacey.
Yes, and more than just the basic, question mark products. You need multitaskers, which is really, really important.
Okay, so we have Anthony, who's our model here, and what are you doing with Anthony's skin?
Well, Anthony's very important because Anthony has a full beard, right? So it's really important to know that, number one, a beard does act as natural sunscreen.
Okay.
But you always have to make sure you're getting the underbeard area and on top and into your forehead and area. So where you apply protection is just as important as how you clean your face. So it's always important to clean and prep your skin properly, and then apply products that do more than just protect you from the sun. They heal you from inflammation and like turmeric, things like that. And you can even wear them while you sleep. That's a very
really
thing to know. Yes.
Okay. Now you're putting it all over into his hairline too. Is that something a lot of people miss?
Yeah, for instance, say if men go to a barber or women have a strong part, things like that, you can actually get skin cancer in your part. Your skin on your scalp is incredibly fragile, so it's important to treat all areas of exposed skin, or as I like to say, which Anthony will love here, be like a Victoria's Secret model. So put sunscreen on naked. If you know what you're going to be wearing, and you know you're wearing this shirt, and your sleeves end here, or you're wearing a hat, still put sunscreen on further than the line, so color outside the lines.
My God, I've been doing it all wrong. I'm like thinking of how I apply sunscreen on my kids. Now, beards can even get some sun damage, and
beards
hair.
And hair on top. So women are very aware with sun sprays, things like that. You can put things on like beard balms and beard oils. Just make sure they're fragrance free so they don't attract the sun, because those kind of things actually attract the sun, and it'll actually help to condition and protect the beard, because the more moisture and the more layers you have, that's a factor.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the things you like to use. We talk about a shot glass. Why do we want a shot glass?
So we use this as an example. So say you want a vacation. Everybody's body size is different, but your basis is, this is your sunscreen bottle, right? You go on vacation, say you're gone for 2 days on the beach. This 2-ounce application of a shot glass is how much you're supposed to put on every 2 hours.
Wow.
So
that's the whole bottle in a couple
would be
days.
gone by the time you're done with your vacation, and most of us not even remotely. Most of us are maybe doing that, like half that over the entire weekend. Let's be honest.
That's not enough. That's not enough. Okay, that's a good example of showing us.
Yeah.
We do sun damage. It's going to happen sometimes. What can we do to help it and to help it heal?
2 factors. Number one, when you get burned, you have to get immediately out of the sun. You're burned, you're done, you can't keep cooking, that's it. And even if it doesn't look like you've been burned, we call it sun scorched. So it's important to treat your skin like it's been burned, even if it doesn't look like it has, because the damage still occurs overnight while you're sleeping. So multitaskers, like properly cleansing your face with things that are actually neutralizing to the skin, so pH balance. So we neutralize the burn.
Okay.
Sunscreens that can protect you from DNA mutation, and then products with aloe and more than one just ingredient, which are multitaskers to heal your face. And you continue to do it, treat it like medication. Finish it, go prolonged, don't just do it one and done.
Love it. And we talk about SPF. You said the higher the better, obviously.
Anything
30.
above an SPF 50 is false advertising, so stick with a 30 to 50 rating.
So between 30 and 50 is what we want.
Yes.
Great tips that we can always be reminded of, and some things that I haven't really heard about, putting like sunscreen on your hair. So Anthony's ready to be protected. He's got a good skin. His beard is protected. Hair is good. We are all good to be in the sun, and we're going to get plenty of it today. Stacey, thank you so much. Again, it's We Do Men, and they do everything in making sure you're looking good and looking protected.
Yeah, let's take care of Anthony, right? Thank you so much, Tess. I use that recovery balm. That is a great product. Let's check in with Gina, who is